Hello all, welcome to Karthik Tech Solution channel. Today in this video session I am going to write a script. Which script nature would be to find out whether that file is a ordinary file or any content files, right? And this script I am going to write by if then else fi statement. By using this statement, I'll write the script, and then when we will execute after written successfully the script, it will ask give a file name. We need to give a file name. If in that file some data would be available, then obviously it's going to cat the file and then it will show whatever data is available in that file, right? If instead of a file, if you are going to give any ordinary kind of file, take an example, instead of file it will give directory, it will give response like given file is not a ordinary file. Okay, it will give given file is not a ordinary file. It may directory, or in this file data is removed, or in this file data is not available, like so on. Okay, so finally if data will be available in a particular file and which file you are going to give, once you execute the script, then it will cat the file and it will display whatever data would be available from that file, right? If data is not available in a particular file, first of all it's not going to cat even though if you are giving that file name. And second thing, if you are giving a ordinary, if you are giving a different kind of file, like which is not a ordinary file, like take an example a directory, then it will give you this file is not a ordinary file. So this is what all about it. Let's go ahead to write the script and execute it so that we will come to know whether it's working fine or not, right? So let's go ahead to do the same. So I'll write here something check file type, something like that, then sh, then give cban, clear the screen, echo, I'll give double quotation, I'll give start here, check to, I'll give something heading to check file file is a ordinary or not, right? So again I'll give some stuff here, this would be, then I'll write something echo, enter a file name which will be displaying us once we execute the script. Then we'll give file name, it means it will read the file, and then here we'll write statement. So it's statement, as I mentioned, we are going to write this statement by executing if then else fi statement. So if then statement would be like this, we need to write. Okay, this would be the statement. Then if it's found it's an ordinary file, then it's going to cat it. So we need to write like that f name, right? Because ever we return read file name, right? So then we need to type here else, then we need to give echo given file is not a ordinary file. If it's not an ordinary file, then it's going to give this kind of response. Then execute, then close the statement, then save the file, go ahead and execute this script, right? So before executing, I'll show you, see what is there. I do have some of the files, right? File 1, file 2, file 3, something like that, right? So let me cat a particular file so that we'll come to know whether data is available or not. Let me cat the f1. See in f1 some data is there, right? Karthik, Ganesh, Ram, Sam, some username is written, right? And so that is a directory. F1 is a directory. Now we will compare this file 1 and directory, right? In directory some subdirectory kind of thing it would be there, which is not a file, it's a directory, right? So if we'll give it directory, then it obviously it will show it's not a ordinary file. If we'll give f1, it's going to cat it and it's going to show that, right? So because it's an ordinary file, right? So let's execute this. Let's execute the script what we written just now. Then I'll give here f1, enter file name is asking, and give f1. What is saying? It's catching the file and showing whatever data is available in that file, right? So same thing, if instead of file 1, if I'll give directory 1, directory 1 is available, right? What is showing? Given file is not an ordinary file, right? Simple. So I believe everyone understood it. If still if you guys are having any doubt, I'd like to request you please write in the comment box. And yeah, well, end of this video session, I'd like to request you please do subscribe, like and share my channel. So for that I can bring new stuff, I can bring new session which will be really helpful for you for upgrading your skill set. And yeah, if you'll do subscribe, for subscribe it's not going to ask you rupees and all those things, okay? It's completely free of cost. Why I'm saying, if you'll do subscribe, then whenever in going forward I'm uploading any stuff or any videos, it's going to reach you, you'll get notification for the same. So anyway, thanks to click this video.